Welcome to the Snow Titan M Power Grip Universal 7 Installation Guide. Let's begin with the base assembly. Start by marking the locations where the PGU-7 units will be installed. Snow Titan is tested for up to 48-inch spans, so check with your project manager for proper spacing for your project. Next, locate your PGU-7 base tray and place it onto your mark, foam side down. Then, secure to your roof using the appropriate fasteners as specified for your project. The first 4 fasteners should be installed in a crisscross pattern into the top flue of the structural deck. Do not tighten until all screws are in place. Now, tighten the screws, ensuring that the foam waterproofing seal compresses evenly around the entire base frame. A total of 8 screws will be required when using the PGU-7 with Snow Titan. So continue to install 4 more fasteners in the same crisscross pattern. Next, align the bolt holes in the cover plate with the corresponding holes in the base plate. Mark the cover plate and membrane to help realign the cover plate during the final installation step. Apply a continuous, unbroken 3/8-inch bead of recommended water block sealant to the underside of the top plate's flange and realign the plate with the marks that you made earlier. Secure the cover plate with 4 provided cap screws in a crisscross pattern, but do not tighten. Next, torque the PGU-7 cap screws in a crisscross pattern to between 60 to 70 inch-pounds. Once you've installed all of your base units, you're ready to install Snow Titan. Install your Snow Titan assemblies onto the mounting holes provided on the bases as shown, and secure snugly with the included fastener, but do not tighten. The rail will be attached to the Snow Titan claw, which pivots on a cantilever to accept the rail. Taking a rail section, insert it into the Snow Titan claw as shown. Once your rail is in place, close the claw and secure the top and bottom fasteners of all the claws, but do not tighten. Continuing on down the line, we'll be connecting to the next rail using 2 of the provided connectors by inserting them into the rail receptors as shown. Then sliding on the next rail onto the exposed connectors. Once all the rails have been installed, head back to the front of the line and torque each top bolt that connects the Snow Titan to the PGU-7 bases and the Snow Titan claw bolts to 100 inch-pounds of torque. Lastly, complete your installation by snapping in your ice flags along the rail at the intervals provided in the layout of your project. And that's it. Your Snow Titan snow retention system is now ready for action. Thank you for choosing AceClamp. If you have any questions, please check our website at www.aceclamp.com or call 860-351-0686.